Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful TED Talk on the communication. That is how to speak so that people want to listen by Julian Dreyer. If you have ever felt that people don't truly hear you, this talk is a must watch. Julian Dreyer shares practical tips and insights that can transform the way we speak and the way others listen. So, in this video, I will break down the key ideas, lessons, and takeaways from his talk so you can start communicating more clearly, confidently, and consciously. But before going to review the TED Talk, I want to introduce myself. I am Mira Mushtaq. I am an educator and I am a co facilitator at Rehan School Online Academy. So I am going to review this TED Talk and I am live on Facebook and LinkedIn with my virtual studio named The Reflection Room. Okay, let me talk about the biography of the speaker. I want to introduce the speaker of this TED Talk. Julian is a globally recognized sound and communication expert. He is an author and a TED speaker known for his work on conscious listening and powerful speaking. He has spent more than 2 decades researching how sound and communication shape human relationships, productivity, and well being. He is the founder and chairman of the Sound Agency, that is a consultancy that helps organizations design effective sound environments to improve customer experience and performance. Julian is also a best selling author of books such as Sound Business, How to Be Heard, and Sound Effects 2025. His TED Talk on listening and speaking skills have gained over 160 million views. And How to Speak So That People Want to Listen is among the most watched TED Talk of all the time. Before his speaking career, he worked in marketing and publishing and was also a musician, which inspired his deep interest in sound. Today, he trains leaders, educators, and organizations worldwide to communicate more effectively through conscious listening and authentic speaking. Now it's time to break down the TED Talk. So, what is the main message of the talk? So, in this TED Talk, the speaker is conveying the message that communication is the key. Why most people speak but are not truly heard, and he gives us simple and practical guidance on how to speak in ways that make people want to listen. He emphasizes that both what you say and how you say it determine how well others listen and respond to your message. Then he tell us about the power of human voice. He began by reminding us that the human voice is one of the most powerful tools we have. It can create love, it can influence changes, or even start conflict. But many people speak in ways that push listeners away rather than draw them in. He said that there are 7 deadly speaking habits to avoid that make listeners tune out. Number one, gossip, talking about others who aren't present. Number two is judging, critiquing or evaluating people harshly. Number three is negativity, always speaking in a negative tone. Number four is complaining. Repeated complaints drain energy. Number five, excuses. Blaming instead of taking responsibility. Number six, exaggeration. Overstating or twisting the truth. Number seven, dogmatism, treating opinions like hard facts. So, Julian calls these the 7 deadly sins of speaking, things we should consciously avoid to communicate better. Then he introduced the positive foundation, which he named HAIL. Instead of negatives above, Julian suggests us using HAIL as a foundation for every important conversation. In the Hail, H stand for honesty. Say what you truly mean. In A stand for authenticity. Be yourself, not fake. I, I stand for integrity. Do what you say you will do. L stand for love. Wish others well and speak kindly. This set of values help ensure your communication is clear, meaningful, and respectful. Then he tell about how you say it matters too. Then he explained the tone, pitch, rhythm, and silence are just as important as word. So he make the voice tool to use. Number one is register. Use a lower or richer voices when appropriate. Then he tell about timbre. Aim for warmth and smoothness in tone. Then is the prosody. Vary melody, avoid monotone. Pace, slow down for emphasis, speed up for excitement. Pitch and volume, use high, low, and loud and soft to create interest. Then is silence, use pauses intentionally, they are powerful. So, together, these make your speech more engaging, clear, and memorable. Now I am moving toward the final thought from the speaker, Julian. At the end, Julian invites us to imagine a world where people speak meaningfully and listen consciously, where conversations are both effective and respectful. This mindful communication, he suggests, can make the world sound more beautiful and help people connect more deeply. So, this is my review of the TED Talk. Thank you very much for watching me live, or the people who will watch this in the recording session. I will come again with my this virtual room for the review. Till then, take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.